Due to extensive testing and product development, Diamondbrite now offer a lifetime guarantee. So for as long as you own the car, your fabrics and your paint have the ultimate protection. And of course you have total peace of mind because there is no other fabric or paint protection system that offers such a comprehensive guarantee. These are the men from Diamondbrite. They claim that any car, when treated with their protection process, will repel almost anything and not need polishing for 6 years.
Not just the need to not polish your car, but they claim it gives you a showroom shine that will last for 6 years. Frankly, we think it's hard to believe.
So we set them a challenge, and despite them looking oh so smug, we took one of their cars that had been fully treated and gave it our own special treatment.
We made sure the car collected plenty of dust and chemical pollution, as you do. Then we clocked up some more miles on the motorway. We did a few trips down country lanes.
And just for good measure, we sat under a few sticky trees.
And finally, we collected the odd hit from a passing bird. That should do it.
But just to make sure that the dirt was fully cooked, we left it for a while. Well, all that dirt and grime is nicely crusty now. Very sticky too.
This is how it looked before. And this is how it looks now. Impressive, eh? We think they have got a real challenge trying to get this car back to showroom shiny. And even when they get all this dirt off, I think it's still going to look a little bit jaded.
OK, chaps, this is your chance to prove us wrong. Now, they reckon this is going to take no time at all, so it gives me a chance to explain how the Diamondbrite process works. Car manufacturers have switched from solvent-based paints to water-based paints for environmental reasons. However, water-based paints allow dirt and pollution to get into the pores of the paint, and it's then that the paint gets attacked by everything that the road can throw at it. So no matter how much you clean or polish your car, you will never get it looking like new again, and the damage is done. But Diamondbrite claim their product is different. They say their process cleans and fills the paint pores. Once that's done, another coat is applied that bonds to the first coat, giving the paint a hard, impenetrable, protective skin. That means that anything, and they say anything, simply rinses off. All you need to do to keep the shine is use one of these kits. Inside is a shampoo and a conserver. The shampoo cleans the car and a few squirts of the conserver into the rinse helps to build and maintain the protective coating. Amazingly, they seem to have finished, so let's take a look, shall we? Well, I hate to admit it, but we were wrong. A showroom shine. No wonder they were looking so smug.
Remarkably, that's not the end of the story. Let's just rewind. The paintwork was protected, but what about those wheels? And then there was the windscreen. And then there is this. No amount of protecting the paintwork will protect against these.
The reason that Diamondbrite were able to achieve this is because of these.
This is an alloy wheel cleaner that really does clean and protect. And this is a tyre replenisher that does, well, exactly what it says on the bottle.
This is Diamondbrite Rain Screen, a windscreen protector that repels rain when it really needs to. Imagine you're on the motorway. It's pelting down and lorries are adding to the water on your windscreen. You need to be able to see clearly. The driver's side has been treated, the other has not. Look at the difference.
Now, what about the mess our little friends left behind back there? Clean and fresh, thanks to the wonders of science. Diamondbrite Fabric Protector.
So if you want to keep your car looking as good as new, then ask your local car dealer about the Diamondbrite Full Protection Package.
I know we will.